we just arrived to Seoul Park,
Seoul Forest.
Seoul Forest, and we are looking for deers.
Yeah, they have deers here. So
Yeah.
we can feed them.
Yeah, I can't wait to find them. It is actually such a big place.
In
But
the middle of Seoul.
yeah, there are kind of statues, flowers, some kind of steam. Oh, river? Little river.
Stream, not river.
Yeah, but it's kind of nice.
Yeah.
You know, we think that these flowers are fake, but they are actually not. They're just too perfect. Is it possible?
No, the other way. Yeah. Oh, no.
Splashing everywhere. Are you wet?
No, it's alright.
Sure?
Yes.
쾌적하고 안전한 공원이 되도록 시민여러분의 협조를 부탁드립니다.
We are almost there. Can you see some deers? They're looking at you. Actually, they have a vending machine for buying food for deers. So you are not buying food for yourself in the vending machine, but you are buying food for deers. Interesting.
This is the way you can put the money
Yeah.
and push the button.
Wow. Good job.
I think it's done.
Yeah. Here is your coffee.
Look.
You can eat. It's a popcorn. Ah!
Ah, they are waiting for the food.
Yeah, they're coming. They're coming. Me? Can I pet you? Or do they say, ah, here is something. How to feed the deer. Get feed from the vending machine and put it into your hand. Okay, so let's do that.
Okay.
와! 아. 잠깐만요. 잠깐만요. 아.
Don't be afraid.
It's all.
There are some birds eating too. It's a party.
No. Ah.
Don't be afraid. It's okay.
I'm not afraid. I'm just, you know. Wow. We're so hungry. Don't speak.
And they give this small one too.
Oh. They're so evil. Come here. It will be a secret. Let's not tell them. They're stealing food. You know, don't steal food. Wow. Okay.
But there are some baby ones too over there. Give them too.
Okay. Oh. This is so cool.
This is lunchtime.
You want to do it too, but you will have all
Yeah.
hands, you know.
No, no,
from
no.
there, you know. Ah, don't eat my hand. You want again? All the time. Oh, we are running out of food. Wow, fight! So hot. The fish is so lazy. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and have a nice day everyone. Okay guys, see you soon.
See you. Bye.
Bye.